Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get Twitch Turbo and finally be ad-free on Twitch. Let's begin. So you are constantly bombarded with lots of advertisements during live streams and even those annoying banner ads. Twitch offers this, which is called Twitch Turbo. You can click it over here whenever you go to the official website. Okay. You can read everything in here, but it costs around $11.99 a month. So it shows in here support streamers without interruptions. So remove banner ads and random advertisements during live stream and store your VODs for up to 60 days instead of 14. You also have perks like exclusive badge, two additional emoticon sets, and custom chat username colors. So you can finally like customize your colors or your username during live streams. Then if you agree to everything in here, so you can be finally be free with those advertisements, click on subscribe. Then you just need to enter your your credit card information. You can also go over here. There's also redeem Twitch card. You can use that to pay for the charges or see more options where it includes PayPal, various e-wallets, and bank transfers. Bank payments over here. Okay. So once you have successfully made the payment, Twitch will apply your subscription immediately. And that means you are now ad free in any live stream for those uh, streamers you are currently watching on Twitch. And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.